graduation from Government College of Engineering, Kalahandi, Bhavanipatna, Odisha. My specialism in computer science and engineering. I am interested in programming development. I luckily got this place and as an incubation student here. I learned a lot of things here, and special thanks to all the trainers and all the faculties who are encouraged to me. I got placed at Lab Iconics as a Python developer with 3 LPA package. I am very happy to say that I work as a Python developer. I am very happy to say that I work this company.